Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Samsung Z Fold 4 magnetic cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases will keep your $1,799 phone looking like new for a long time. And if you're spending that much money on a smartphone, you want to do everything you can to ensure that nothing goes wrong if you also drop it. Fortunately, case producers have responded with many case styles for Samsung's latest foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And, because the new foldable is a big phone to take around on its own, the best Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases don't add a lot of bulk and weight in the sake of extra protection. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung Z Fold 4 magnetic cases, so let's get started. 6:WOG Black Civilian Sleek Ultra Thin. To safeguard it, you don't need to add a bulky case to your Galaxy Z Fold 4. The civilian case from Urban Armor Gear offers robustness in a reasonably small one-piece design with an impact-resistant inside and bumpers. This has resulted in a case that has survived 26 drops from a 4-foot height. The outside of the civilian case promises traction while remaining thin enough to allow wireless charging of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. You may get the case in any color you desire, as long as it's black. 5:Rinky Slim. Clear cases allow us to show off the colors and designs of our favorite phones, but they usually have a few additional obstacles to overcome. Adhesive placements and types must be more precise, and design alternatives are limited. The Rinky Slim tackles these issues admirably, with clear and matte clear variants available. The traditional clear highlights every curve and detail of the Fold 4, but it also highlights every fingerprint smudge and pocket lint that finds its way inside. Matte clear, on the other hand, obscures the exact details of the phone, as well as any scratches or scuffs your Fold 4 may have picked up before you covered it with a case. 4:Iblazon Armor Box. One of the nicest things you can do for your expensive foldable is to protect it with the Iblazon Armor Box case. This durable and strong phone case has you covered with its built-in screen protector and full body protection. The Iblazon Armor Box case boasts anti-skid texturized edges, scratch-resistant PC material, and shock-absorbing TPU material and has passed military drop tests. There's also an S Pen holder, a kickstand that serves as a ring holder, and hinge protection. It is also available in 4 different hues. 3:Speakin Slim Armor Pro. Speakin offers a wide range of Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases, but the Slim Armor Pro takes the cake as the best overall case thanks to its well-established track record and a solid degree of protection. This case is heavy-duty without being a tank, and it still has a pen slot that isn't directly in the middle of the Fold 4's back when in tablet mode. The pricing here is undeniably exorbitant, but Speakin offers discounts and coupons to help bring it down to more acceptable levels. It has hinge protection and is simple to fold and handle. It also has an anti-slip grip and easy access open buttons. The Speakin Slim Armor Pro combines dual layer protection with cutting-edge foam technology to provide enough shock resistance and drop prevention. It does not, however, have an S Pen slot or a kickstand. 2:Spec Products Presidio. Thanks to a clear design that highlights the aesthetic of Samsung's latest foldable, Spec's Presidio Perfect Fold lets the inner beauty of your Galaxy Z Fold 4 shine through. Your vision should also be clear, thanks to a coating that prevents the yellowing and staining that might occur with plastic over time. This one-piece case's capacity to protect the Galaxy Z Fold 4 from damage, with 13-foot drop protection and a specific groove that makes it easy to flip the fold open, is even better than its clear vision. You're also safe from microbes, owing to the Microban antibacterial treatment, which guarantees a 99% reduction in bacteria on the case's surface. 1:Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Without a doubt, this is the most protective Galaxy Z Fold 4 case available today. With up to 20-foot impact resistance and durable bumpers around the screens and cameras, the Unicorn Beetle Pro series has been known to survive motorways, lawnmowers, and some magnificent manifestations of Murphy's Law. While other cases use this S Pen slot style, I like Subcase's inclusion of a window in the center. You can see or feel the S Pen without having to open it, and it also serves as a push point for taking the pen out, implying that Subcase can make the grips that keep the pen in place stronger and last longer. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Z Fold 4 magnetic cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.